Hi, I'm Dr. Adatone Musa,
Hi, I'm Dr. Hussein Musa.
and this is Healing Talks with Kingdom Docs.
We're so excited to be here with you today. We're talking about direct care and how we can fill some of the gaps in care.
Yes, yes. So we are going to focus on pain and chronic pain patients and how that can help.
That's near and dear to my heart.
Yeah,
And one of the main reasons why people go to the doctor is because they hurt.
yeah,
It doesn't matter what they hurt, but pain is usually your body's sign that please address this, pay attention. So that pain signal is so strong and important that it'll take the person who never goes to the doctor after a week or two of pain that actually doesn't go away, they're in dire need of seeing somebody.
yeah,
Now, oftentimes, the first line of defense is your primary care doctor, and I think that's wonderful. Conservative therapy is very important in pain management.
yes,
Now, when conservative therapy doesn't work, or let's say your primary care doctor gives you some medications, you do therapy, and the pain isn't getting better, patients are often wondering, what's the next step? And that's why it's important to have access to a pain doctor.
yes, it is.
Now, oftentimes seeing a pain doctor can take 2 to 3 months. You can have a long referral time. And one thing that doesn't change while you're waiting for a referral is your pain. So by the time a lot of patients come and see me, they're already angry, they're upset, they're frustrated, some are hopeless. And I really believe that mindset, as we've talked in some of our early episodes, can decrease the quality of your life and also increase the severity of your pain. We know that your mind has important link with your body and your
Yeah.
experience of pain.
Yes.
And pain does not have to equal suffering.
No, it
You
doesn't.
have pain without severe suffering. And now, by suffering, I mean if the pain is consuming your thoughts, you're thinking about the pain, what activities you can't do because of pain, what the pain is robbing you of, and even that mental thought process, there's ways to help you with that thought process that can prevent you from having such a terrible experience with pain.
Yeah.
Now, all of this takes time.
It takes time for sure. It's not going to take 8 to 10 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, the 10-minute pain visit, a lot of times your doctor can get a cursory overview of what's happening, whereas if you're able to see a pain specialist, we have the time to actually delve deeper into your medical history, see when the pain started, how did it start, where did it originate from, what are some of the risk factors that you have for developing this type of pain, what treatments have worked in the past. One of the most frustrating things that patients have is when they go to their primary care doctor, it's not the same person.
yeah, yeah. So this is consistency of care, quality care. I wonder if you have an example of a patient in your experience that benefited from really in-depth care.
Yes, I remember I had one patient. He was dependent on opioids for about 5 years. He had 2 back surgeries, and he started overtaking the medications, and his primary care doctor no longer felt comfortable treating him, and he didn't pass his urine drug screen. So he was sent to a pain doctor after a couple months of waiting and almost being out of medications. He finally got to see me. And it was, for him, he was very frustrated, angry, hurt. He even felt betrayed by his doctor because of the lack of care and also the perceived lack of compassion.
Yeah.
And a lot of times your doctor does care. Them sending you to a pain specialist doesn't mean that they don't care about you. It's beyond their control at this point. And this patient, I was able to really delve deep into his history, and we were able to start a treatment plan that really worked with him.
Wow, thank God
Yeah.
for that.
I think I'll share more about this story next time.
Yeah, so thank you so much for joining us on Healing Talks with Kingdom Docs. Visit us at kingdomdocs.com for more information.
Thank you so much, and God bless.
Bye-bye.